Howdy guys, Tyler Banken, your friendly garden guy here. We are ripping out the selfie cam today because we are out on a shopping spree. Mother's Day is in less than 48 hours and we got to get on it. I've been known for one of those guys who, buys their gifts. I always get it done, but I'm always right down to the wire. So anyway, I was thinking some outside the box type Mother's Day gifts for the garden, but maybe not. Announcement. Okay, but I'm also thinking something that's a little bit more outside the box for mom this year. I love a good hanging basket, thriller, filler, spiller, we all know that, but maybe there's a few other options that I can help you get for your mama this Mother's Day. Okay, yeah, if you're a little hesitant on buying your mom flowers or a plant, you can always buy her a pot. This way she'll remember you all year long and she can switch it out for different seasons. How about watering can? But maybe get one a little bit more cute than this. Nope. Give mama's existing plants some height with a plant stand. Nope. Really can't go wrong with something like a garden flag. I would definitely probably go with this one because it has like this margarita thing on it. Or I'm calling it a margarita. Or vodka soda. Vodka lemonade. Guys, I had so much fun shopping with you today. Thank you so much. Even though I didn't. Oh, announcement.
Matt 420, Kenny Matt 420.
420, got it. Even though I didn't buy anything today because I get distracted while I'm shopping when I'm on the phone. So, yeah, but I still had fun shopping, and chances are I'm definitely gonna go back and get that garden flag, at least for myself, just because the vodka references like really speaks to my soul. So anyway, happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. I know mine's a rock star, and thank you for all that you do. Y'all are the best. Bye.